You know your way around Photoshop, but you want to create digital art that wows people. You've watched tutorials, you've played around on your own, and yet something's missing. This course will teach you how to create beautiful art just like this. We'll get you set up in Photoshop the right way. You'll build real fundamentals, anatomy, color theory, shape language, and perspective. You'll master sketching, lighting, shadows, and highlights. You'll learn how to create realistic eyes, skin, hair, textures, and materials. Learn professional layer modes and workflows that bring your art to life. And you won't just watch, you'll paint. Complete portraits, start to finish. Because that's our goal with this course, to get you creating your own digital art from your imagination. This course is led by professional digital artist Yasar Verdum, known for high-end digital artwork and visual storytelling. By the end of this course, you'll have all the skills and confidence to turn ideas into finished digital art. Stop guessing, stop jumping between tutorials, become the digital artist you've always wanted to be. Join now and we'll see you in class.